friends. Today we start practice set 2.5. There is first question is fill in the gaps and complete. Question number 1. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therein b square minus 4ac is equal to 5 and b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. There is fill in the blanks and question is nature of the roots. Understood? Nature of the roots. There is three condition. Delta is equal to 0, delta greater than 0, delta less than 0. Understood? b square minus 4ac is equal to 5. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है प्लस 5. 5 क्या है हमारा 0 से बड़ा है, तो क्या आ जाएगा ये, मतलब क्या हो गया हमारा रियल एंड अनइक्वल. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आएगा इसका, रियल एंड अनइक्वल. और लास्ट में दिया है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5. माइनस 5 मतलब 0 जो है हमारा छोटा है और डेल्टा क्या है हमारा बड़ा है. तो क्या आ जाएगा उसके लिए कंडीशन क्या दिया है, नो रियल रूट्स. क्या दिया है, नो रियल रूट्स. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, सम ऑफ रूट्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस 7. सम ऑफ रूट्स मीन्स व्हाट, अल्फा प्लस बीटा. अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, माइनस 7. and product of roots, product means what, cross multiplication, means alpha into beta is equal to what, 5. Understood? And find out the quadratic equation. Then quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Clear? There is putting the value x is square minus alpha plus beta is what, minus there is minus 7, x plus 5 is equal to 0. X square minus minus plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Write down here x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Understood? Now third question, if alpha beta are roots of quadratic equation, there is equation is 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. How to find out? First you can write down here, there is value is a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to what, minus 3. Clear? Alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta is equal to what, minus b upon a, minus b upon a. Minus, what is the b value, b value is minus 4. Put here minus 4 upon a. What is a is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Minus minus plus is equal to what, 2. Then put the value here 2. Understood? Now second, alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. What is the value of c? Minus 3. Minus 3 upon a. A value is 2. This is your final answer. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now question number 2. Find the value of discriminant. Understood? Discriminant denoted by Greek letter in delta. Clear? Now the first question is x square plus 7x, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is your first question. Find out the value of discriminant. Understood? First you comparing x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0 with which formula, standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Understood? Now what is the value of a? A means what variable? X variable is what? A. put here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 7 and C is equal to -1. अंडरस्टूड? डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या दिया है, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. पुट हियर डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ बी? वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज 7. 7 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू a value is 1 and c value is -1. Minus value you can write down in bracket. 7 square is 49. 4 into 1 4. 4 into -1 -4. There is 49 plus 4 is equal to what? 53. The delta is equal to what? 53. Understood? Now second question is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. First you can save comparing 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now what is the value of a? A is equal to what? 2, b is equal to -5 and c is equal to 10. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square value is -5 whole square minus 4 into what is the a? A is 2 into c value is 10. Minus 5 square is equal to what? 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 10s are 80 is equal to what? Delta is equal to what? 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Delta is equal to 55. But there is biggest number is minus value, then put the value is minus. Understood? Now third question is root of 2 square root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Understood? Same comparing, you can write here comparing root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now value of a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2. Understood? Now put delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b value is 4 whole square minus 4 into a value is root 2 into 2 root 2. Clear? Now 4 square means what? 16 minus 4 root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to what? 2. You got it? Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. There is 4 into 2 is 8 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16. Value is what? 0. Value is what? 0. Understood? Question number third. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. Understood? The question of first, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. How to solve it? First, comparing equation x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Understood? With standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write down your value. A is equal to 1, b is equal to -4 and c is equal to 4. Understood? Now put here delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means what? -4 whole square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and c is 4. Minus 4 square is equal to what? 16 minus 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Their delta is equal to what? 0. Understood? Delta is equal to what? 0. Means what? This is the roots are real and equal. Then write down here. The roots are real and equal. Because delta is equal to what? 0. Their value also b square minus 4 is what? 0. Understood? Now second question. 2y square minus 7y plus 2. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Understood? Now first comparing equation same. Understood? With a standard form I solve it in shortcut form. There is a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to what? 2. Then put delta is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c value is 2 minus 7 whole square is equal to what? 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Understood? Now 9 minus 6 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. Delta is equal to what? 33. Means here delta less than 0. Understood? Then what is the real are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Understood? Now third question. Question number third. M square plus 2m plus 9. M square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Understood? Same comparing equation. M square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Write down here. Understood? Now a is equal to what? M 1. A is equal to what? 1. B is equal to what? 2 and c is equal to what? 9. Write down the delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. B value is 2 square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is 9. 4 minus 4 9s are 36 is equal to what? Minus 32. Minus 32. This is what? Delta. Here delta 0 से क्या है? छोटा है. तो क्या यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? These roots are not equal. The roots are not equal. Not equal. The roots are not equal and you can write also real. Understood? Now question number 4. Form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. Understood? You can use this number and write down the equation, quadratic equation. Understood? First there is a 0 and 4. Let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. There is alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Then alpha plus beta is equal to what? 0 plus 4 is equal to what? 4. And alpha into beta is equal to 0 into 4 is equal to what? 0. Clear? Now the required quadratic equation is what is quadratic equation? X square minus alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. You can substitute the value x square minus alpha plus beta is what? 4. Alpha plus beta x. Understood? Alpha plus beta x. Now x plus 0 is equal to 0. Now quadratic equation is x square minus 4x is equal to 0. This is your final answer. Understood? Now second question is 3 and minus 10. 3 and minus 10. Same. You can write here, let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 10. Then put the value, then alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus minus 10 is equal to 3 minus 10 is equal to minus 7. Got it? Now second, alpha into beta is equal to what? 3 into minus 7 is equal to minus 21. 3 sevens are 21. Understood? Now required quadratic equation is what? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Substitute the value. X square minus x plus alpha plus beta is what? Minus 7. Put here minus 7 x plus alpha into beta minus 21 is equal to 0. Final answer is x square plus 7x minus 21 is equal to 0. This is your final answer. Understood? Now third question. Third question is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Same, let alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Then alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2 is equal to what? 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0, because one positive and minus negative numbers will 0. Alpha beta is equal to 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2 is 4. There is minus sign. Put here minus sign. Now the required quadratic equation is what? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now put the value. X square minus alpha plus beta is what? 0. 0x plus alpha into beta minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. There is final answer. X square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. This is your final answer. Now question number 4. 2 minus root 5, 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5, 2 plus root 5. This is your question. Then solve it. Let alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. Then alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Understood? Now there is minus 5, there is plus 5 will be 0. 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 4. Clear? Now second, alpha into beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Understood? How to solve? First 2 multiply by this understood number. 2 into 2 plus root 5 minus root 5, then bracket 2 plus root 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5 minus value is 5. Understood? Now there is plus 2 root 5 cancelled, minus 2 root 5 cancelled, because one positive, there is number will be same, there is one positive, one negative, is equal to 0, is equal to what? 4 minus 5 is equal to what? Minus 1. Understood? Minus 1. Then require the equation x square minus, write down here, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now put the value x square minus alpha plus beta is what? 4. 4x plus alpha into beta is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. This is your final answer. Understood? Now question number 5. Find k if the sum of the root of the quadratic equation x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0 is double their product. Understood? How to solve? First you can write down what is the equation. Equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Understood? This is a quadratic equation. That is, there is, you can write down what is the value of a, what is the value of b, what is the value of c. Understood? Now you can write down here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k and c is equal to k plus 3. Understood? Then if a and alpha and beta are the root of the equation, you can write here, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, what is the equation? Sum of the root of the quadratic equation. Sum of the root means what? Alpha plus beta. Sum of the root means what? Alpha plus beta, and this quadratic equation is double their product. Product means what? Alpha into beta, and there is what? There is a double means what? 2 alpha beta. This is the equation number 1. Clear? Now put the value alpha plus beta. First you can find out what is the alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? There is a formula minus b upon a is equal to minus. B value is what? Minus 4k upon a. A means what? 1. There is minus minus plus, you can write down 4k. This is equation number 2. Now second, alpha into beta is equal to what? C upon a. Understood? Is equal to what is C value? K plus 3 upon a. A means what? 1 is equal to what? K plus 3 is the equation number 3rd. Understood? Now you can use from 1, 2 and 3 equation from equation number 1, 2 and 3. Understood? Now you get first, this is your main equation. You can use there is alpha plus beta. You can write down here alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. There is alpha plus beta is what? 4k. You can write here 4k is equal to 2, and alpha into beta is what? K plus 3. You can write down here bracket k plus 3, bracket close. Then solve. 4k is equal to 2 multiplied by this 2k and plus 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 4k, there is a positive number, this is transfer here, minus 2k is equal to what? 6. 4k minus 2k is equal to 2k is equal to 6. K is equal to what? 6 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are, k is equal to what? 3. Now this is your final answer because there is find out value of k. K is what? 3. Understood? Question number 6. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, find the value of first alpha square plus beta square. Now second alpha cube plus beta cube. How to find out? The given equation is what is the equation? Y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Understood? Now write down here, there is value of a is equal to what? 1, b is equal to what? Minus 2, and c is equal to what? Minus 7. Understood? Now first you find out alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b upon a. Minus b value is minus 2 upon a is 1 is equal to what? 2, because there is minus will be plus. This is the value of alpha plus beta is equal to what? 2. Now second alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to what? C upon a is equal to what? C is minus 7, a is 1 is equal to minus 7. Clear? Now first what is the question? Find out alpha square plus beta square. You can write here alpha square plus beta square. Understood? Find out is equal to what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Got it? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now find out the value. Alpha plus beta is what? 2. 2 is a whole square minus 2 alpha into beta is minus 7. 2 square is 4 minus 7 2s are 14 minus 14. There is 4 minus will be plus. 4 plus 14 is equal to what? 18. This is what? Alpha square plus beta square. Clear? This is alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. Now second alpha cube plus beta cube. You can write here alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to what? Is equal to alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta and bracket alpha plus beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket alpha plus beta. Now put the value. Alpha plus beta is what? 2. You can write down here 2 cube minus 3 alpha into beta is what? Minus 7 and alpha plus beta is equal to what? 2. 2 cube means what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 3 7s are 21 minus into 2 8 minus 2 4 minus 42. 8 plus 42 is equal to what? 50. This is the alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to what? 50. Question number 7. Find the value of k if the roots of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. First question is 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Understood? Now solve here. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to k and c is equal to 12. Understood? A is equal to 3, b is equal to k and c is equal to 12. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac What is the value of b? K. K square minus 4 into a value is 3 into c value is 12. K square minus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 12 is 144. 12 into 12 is 144. Now the roots are real and equal. Means what? You can write here. The roots are real and equal. Means delta is equal to what? 0. Understood? Put here 0. What is the value? K square minus 144 is equal to 0. Understood? Now there is a k square. This is 144 is 12 square. You can write k square minus 12 whole square is equal to 0. Understood? Now there is a value a square minus b square is equal to what? 1 time plus and 1 time minus. A plus b and a minus b. You can don't write here. Understood? This is understanding. Now k plus 12 and k minus 12 is equal to 0. Understood? Now first you can write k plus 12 is equal to 0 or k minus 12 is equal to 0. Now k is equal to minus 12 or k is equal to plus 12. Understood? Now the value of k is, write down here answer. The value of k is 12 or minus 12. Understood? Now second question is kx bracket is x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Understood? Now you can first solve this equation. There is bracket. You can multiply this equation. This number x. What is the value? Kx square. Understood? Now minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now same here, a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. A is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square means what? Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k and c is 6. Minus 2 square is 4k square minus 4 6 are 24k. Understood? This is a delta value. Now there is the roots are real and equal. You can write here the roots are real and equal. Means what? Delta is equal to what? 0. You can put value 0. Means what? 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. There is common value is what? K. And there is 4 also. There is 4k common bracket k minus 6 is equal to what? 0. First you can product, you can 0. 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to what? 0.4 means what? 0 or k is equal to what? Plus 6. K is equal to what? Plus 6. Understood? Now k is equal to 0 is what? Unacceptable, because if k is equal to 0 the equation become meaningless. Understood? Now this is the value, final value is, you can write also k is equal to 0 unacceptable. K is equal to 0 is unacceptable. Then final value is k is equal to what? 6. K is equal to what? 6. The value of, you can write here, the value of k is 6. Understood? आपको यह मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आप इसको लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों को जरूर शेयर करें।